Welcome to iPhone Basics by TechTour247. In this lesson, you'll learn how to set up your new iPhone from start to finish. Before you begin, gather these things: your Wi-Fi password, about 15 to 20 minutes of free time, and your old phone if you have one. To turn on your iPhone, press and hold the button on the right side until you see the Apple logo appear on screen. Choose your language and country. Then connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list and entering your password. Set up Face ID or Touch ID to unlock your phone with your face or fingerprint. This is much faster and more secure than typing a code every time. Create a 6-digit passcode as a backup. Choose something you'll remember, but others won't guess. Write it down and keep it somewhere safe. Your Apple ID is your key to everything Apple: the App Store, iCloud backup, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. Sign in or create a new one. Enable iCloud to automatically back up your photos and data. Turn on location services for maps and weather. Enable Siri if you want voice control. Congratulations! Your iPhone is now set up and ready to use. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to transfer data from your old phone.